Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about refining your selection and doing a selection technique. So you open your image. The problem is this dog has hair, and in order to cut around it, that would be nearly impossible. So what you're going to do is do a light selection around it, just real rough. Just make sure you include the hair, come all the way around. And then up here at the top, you have select and mask. Click on it and then use the second brush down. This brush is the Refine Edge brush tool. So click on that, make sure this is plus. I usually set my settings here about 55% spacing, about 500 pixels. Over here, make sure show edge, show original, and high quality is turned off. Transparency set to about 85%, and everything else set to about 0. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to click on the background to get rid of it. So notice how the green is just going away, but the hair is staying. And we can go around, we can refine that a little bit, come up through here, cut through here and around. And it's real easy to just get rid of it, but you want to make sure you click on the background. Now, if you notice, some of his head got removed. So we're going to take the next brush down, make sure it says add, and we're just going to paint those areas back in that got accidentally removed. Real simple, real easy. Okay, then click OK. So we've got our selection. Double click on the background, create the new layer, selection mask. So then you go to the browser, go to my web page, resources. This is dmhsfritz.com. And down here are free images to use. So Pixabay is a good one. You'll log in using, you'll create an account with your email. You can search for anything like City Crowd, and all the top are paid. Down here you pick one that you like. Let's say I pick this one. Free download, and there's a big size that I can use. This is free for commercial use. These are royalty-free images. So download your favorite one. I just happen to grab this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to move my dog image over to the city. So we go to the dog. Here's the layer. Right click on the layer. Duplicate layer. And we're going to choose document. We're going to choose the other document. In this case, it's city.jpg. Yours will be whatever you've got. Click OK. And there's the puppy. But he's huge. He's blocking a lot of it. Now, we're going to do something that will allow us to shrink. You can also use this to make bigger, but the problem with making bigger is it pixelates, it becomes just ugly. So Command T will give you a bounding box around it. Shift, drag, and that will make your image smaller. Okay? You can put it in here however you want, and then hit return in order to finish your selection. And notice the hair looks good. There's a little bit of green. We could go in there and clean that up a little bit if you wanted to. You can apply some effects to it to make it blend with your photo better. But that is how we do the selection technique and Refine Edge.